What's going on, Pro Cutters? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to all the Husky Channel videos. Captain Greg, this is for you.
G'day everyone, welcome to the Husky Channel. Just a quick video here to give a shout out to my mate John at the Pro Cut in America. And please subscribe to his channel if you haven't already and watch his videos. And he's got a great dog, Donovan. And yeah, he's got a lot of great videos on how to do things. And yes, I'm dressed as Santa. Yeah, well, just a hat, but I was going to sing Jingle Bells, but I can't sing. But you know, maybe John can sing for us. So Merry Christmas, everyone. Stay tuned for more videos from my channel, but definitely go check John's at the Pro Cut and subscribe, like, share, hit the bell. You know the spiel. And I hope everyone has a safe and Merry Christmas.